looks like we're going to take this. You see what this is? This little bitty piece of brass with 057, or is that a 2? 052 numbers on it. We're going to take this, stick it in my truck, and it's going to make a lot more power. How is that possible to take this little thing right here and make stupid power? 052 is 100 shot of dry nitrous. 100 shot of dry nitrous on an LS Swap OBS 1994 706 heads, Pac 12 springs, COMPCAM, 4L80E eBay converter, 342 gear. We are back. Go ahead and put this 50 shot in the green bean. You ain't seen or heard nothing from me for a minute. I've been under the weather. I still ain't 100%. I probably shouldn't even be out here doing this, but I gotta get it done for y'all. So let me set this up. Got my little gimbal. I did get word. Perch said, get that thing off of, what they say, Temu. No, TikTok shop. Get you one off TikTok shop. So I've yet to do that. And furthermore, I kind of want to use a, what do they call them? Self-loaded credit card before I'll be working on TikTok shop. I don't want to put my information on there, so I just don't trust it like that. But anyway, let me get this truck open. Let's get this 50 jet 100 shot in green bean. There she is. Pull that out, undo that right there, and my jet should be right here. Should be able to just hold one and turn the other. Uh-oh, y'all getting a close-up, ain't y'all? Y'all getting a close-up, ain't you? We go with this, what they call it? This, oh, man. It's great. I'm about to find a wrench. Because everything's turning and it's not supposed to. What's this? See, each time I turn this, it's turning that nozzle the wrong way. I don't want the nozzle to turn. I need the nozzle hole to be facing toward the throttle body. Let's just unscrew it. Uh-oh, y'all. Hold on. We got a surprise. What? Some roaches? Get your coochie? Sarucci, get your Gucci. Man, that man right there, bad man. Let me tell y'all. Built that car, got that car on the road. Done put umpteen hours on that bad boy too. Yes, sir. We got Resto Mod done dropped in on us, man. Got them roaches. Get you what? Hey, man. He drives this car. He drives it from the bottom of the United States up to the middle of the United States, literally. They went from seeing the ocean to looking at snow. Yeah. And it's cold. LS swapped all day long. Dash swapped all day long. Rocking and rolling, big screen. Woo! All right, y'all, we in Green Bean. Got Resto Mod in Green Bean. We out testing the 100 shot right now. truck. He's like, it's not a race truck at all. No. It just looks like a bottle in a bag. We was just playing out a scenario with the police running up on me saying, you know how fast you were going? I said, no, I wasn't speeding. And he see that bottle in the front seat. Yeah. So how do you explain that?
I'll tell you how fast you're going.
He said, I'll just tell you how fast you're going. Yeah, 100 shot feels good. I don't know. We'll take it out a little further and see what she do, man. See what she do. Fun. Well, the 100 shot was a semi-success. We didn't get the footage I wanted to get. I was out having a little fun with it. I ain't gonna say I wasn't. Being that I've been under the weather, I ain't been able to really get the footage that I want. And, you know, the install of the jet, I kind of messed that up. But it's simple, Simon, man. I hope y'all get the picture. It ain't no rocket scientist to put, behind putting in a jet, a nitrous jet. It's just an 052 jet, it's 100 horse. Oh, and I can tell you what, man. Yeah. There's a big difference in feeling when what it feels like from hitting that 100 shot versus hitting that 30 shot. Big difference. So the 100 shot's probably about as all I'm gonna go on this motor, because again, it's stock bottom in, nothing else done to it. Can it hold more? From what I've read and what I've watched, yes. Do I want to take that chance? No. The engine actually had 176,000 miles on it when I got it, but I'm developing a sound that I don't like. And remember, we want to put turbo on this. So, do we bolt the turbo on and go? Or do we pull it out, see what that noise is, and go from there? There's other ways I can go about it. I want to stay with the 6.0. Everything's the non-conventional type of stuff that they say to put on an LS engine. As far as, what are we saying? The heads. Well, not necessarily heads. I mean, the heads are 706 on 6.0s is a very common thing. I mean, worst come to worst, we need another engine. Guess what we got? We got the engine for the blue thing, which is the very darn common put together piece of work. And what do we call? Why is that? Because we got LS1 heads on a 6.0. Very, very, very uncommon. But worst come to worst, like I said, that's an option for us. That particular engine though had a broken rod. We put another rod in it. Gap rings, ready for boost. You know how I do. JY Bill. They say Junkyard Bill. There's a lot of them out there claiming to be, something that it ain't. So, check it. We're going to keep doing what we do, man. Once I get over this sickness and start to feel a little better, I'll get to bringing y'all back some more content. You know what I mean? More content. Big shout out to my brother, Cortez Resto Mods, for dropping in on me, man. Hey, I got a surprise for y'all. Y'all get it sooner. Y'all get it later. Y'all ain't gonna get it sooner. It'll get later. And again, for 2025, I've got projects that ain't complete, and they will be sold. I'm not keeping them. I can only drop one at a time, and that's not the issue. Is having projects around incomplete is the issue. I kind of want to have fun. I want to be able to go enjoy some things, and I can't do that if everything that I drive or own is in a project state. So, yeah, we'll be back. Alright, we in it. Got a little bit of the, what do you call that now? The 100 shot jumper. I'm gonna pull over. actually, I'm probably trying to think of a way how I can do this so y'all can see what's going on. I don't have my, man, this truck got so much racket on the inside, man, vibrations and noises, and plus the exhaust is loud as all get out. It makes all kind of racket that way too. But this 100 shot, big day and night difference from the 30. Big time. Big time. So I gotta get this posi unit put in so it really makes a difference. Well, burnouts ain't cool with one wheel peels. Not my burnouts. But I have the parts, I just need the time and not to be sick. Like I said, I want to pull over, get y'all a shot of the tachometer when I smack that button. When I smack that button.